Hello everyone, so if you want to fix your sound issues on your Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your settings. Now you're to locate your sound and vibration tab, and here make sure that you have your volume up. If it's too quiet, simply raise it. Sometimes a simple restart can help, so to do that simply hold your power button and choose your reboot option, right? To find out if there's an application is interfering with the sound, you're to enable the safe mode. I have a video on that, so go through it in the channel. However, if the sound doesn't work well in the safe mode, make sure that all of the system apps are to date. So open up your settings, find your system app updater, and here you will see some applications which are not up to date. However, as you see, my system apps are up to date. Ensure that the speakers right here at the bottom of the screen and here at the top, it's like hidden here, make sure that they're clean, and if they're not, simply clean them with the air or any kind of brush, something like this. If nothing helps, try restoring phone to factory settings. Back up your data first and then open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone section. It's the first one actually, and here you're to find your factory reset, so go for it and complete it if nothing helps. If the problem still persists, I recommend you to visit your service center. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.